Wake up, Texas! It's time to jumpstart your week with TXCN's Texas lifestyle diva, Maddie Roberts. It's Monday Mornings with Maddie.
Good Monday morning, Texas. Today we have Chef Ted Grebe from the reopened Dakotas. We are so happy that you've reopened. What are you making for us?
We're going to make Dakota's Maryland crab cakes.
Love that. Also, I've got the really cool doctor who's been doing, everybody's heard about it. It's called mesotherapy. It's these little tiny injections. He is going to be answering your questions today. So make sure you give us a call at 877-977-TXCN. Lasers, mesotherapy, fat reduction, Botox, everything you need to know about getting pretty. We got the doc in the house answering your questions. And when we get back, make sure you have your questions ready for the good doctor. The topics today are mesotherapy, cellulite, laser facial rejuvenation. Any of that make you curious? Well, pick up the phone and call 877-977-TXCN. And if we take your call on air, you will get a Prezi. That was really cool. This is cool stuff, I'm telling you. Well, there is quite a buzz building about a decades-old French technique for facial rejuvenation called mesotherapy. And currently, the only doctor trained to do this in Texas is Dr. Raul Rodriguez, who joins us today. Thank you for being here.
Well, it's my pleasure, Maddie.
Born in Havana.
Correct.
Raised pretty much in Dallas. You're a Dallas boy.
Oh, pretty much.
Pretty much. Went to Southwestern Medical School, residency in the Navy and surgery.
In the Air Force.
In the Air Force. I'm sorry. Residency in the Air Force. Okay. And back here in Dallas, you've been back for some time now. Your practice is in mesotherapy and laser rejuvenation, among other things.
Correct, correct.
Let's talk about meso, because I've been doing this and I need to explain to people. I don't do as good a job as you do, so let's explain a little bit about what mesotherapy is and what it does.
Okay. Well, Maddie, mesotherapy is a technique of little micro-injections. It's been around for about half a century, started in Europe, South America. But we can put nutrients and medications into different body tissues to actually get the tissues to change. You've probably seen a lot of things on television lately about mesotherapy used for fat loss and localized fatty deposits and also for elimination of cellulite. But one of the lesser known but very effective treatments for mesotherapy is skin rejuvenation, making the skin look young.
Show us on this little diagram sort of what's happening with this needle.
Well, the little needles can be placed just into the skin or just under the skin. For skin rejuvenation, we actually put very concentrated nutrients, antioxidants, and other things that stimulate new skin growth directly under the skin. So we can get nutrients there in a way you can never get using topical ointments or fancy creams and things like that.
So it goes right to the source.
Oh, to the source, but the end result is the little needles also stimulate growth of new tissue.
Okay, love that. We love that. Well, we have a caller, somebody who has a question for us. It's Gloria from Laredo. Gloria, you there? And I'm not getting... Gloria, you there, sweetie?
Hello.
Hey there.
Wow, you can actually hear me.
I can hear you. What is your question for Dr. Rodriguez?
Well, I have so many questions. Ballpark cost, is it per square inch? Is it per shot?
You're giving me some ideas.
Keep going, sweetie. Keep going.
Allergic reactions, mishaps that could take place. Since you're the only doctor that's currently trained in Texas, are you going to be training other doctors?
Good questions. Okay.
All very good questions. The medications that are used in mesotherapy are very, very safe, and allergic reactions are very rare. Now, anything is possible anytime you use medications, but it's very, very safe. We put very small amounts of medicines. It's just that they're very concentrated where they need to go, so they really, really have a dramatic effect on the tissues. Now, I'm the only doctor that's trained here in Texas to do it, and I'm training other doctors as fast as I can. I'm actually the director of medical education for mesotherapy in the United States. And we're trying to get doctors strategically positioned across the country to be able to supply these treatments for people that want them.
Right. Now, what we're looking at here is this is a session that I did, and it's tiny, Gloria. It's amazing because it's tiny little pinpricks, but your skin is numb, so you cannot feel it. And it's so effective. I fell asleep, actually, the first time. I was just so tired, I went right to sleep.
That's my bedside manner.
That was it. That's what it was. But so she was also asking about cost. How do you charge?
Each individual session costs, well, she gave me a good idea there, charging by the square inch. But at least for the time being, we charge per session. Each individual session costs about $350 to $500, depending on how much work needs to be done.
Right.
Now, this is a series of sessions because we're slowly, gradually getting the tissues to change. For the skin, we're removing wrinkles, helping the skin get thicker, restore its tone. Literally, we can take the skin back in structure more to what it may have been 10, 15 years earlier.
Well, that's what I wanted to say too. I noticed I've had a few sessions with you, and it's almost like you turn back the clock at least 5, maybe 10 years on a good day. I was stunned because I was really kind of starting to look a little tired, and it was amazing. I mean, I can speak to it. I think it is amazing. We're going to run to a quick break, but we're going to come back with more. We got more questions and more callers, and this is a huge topic to get to. So. Okay, we are back with the maestro of meso, Dr. Raul Rodriguez, and we're talking about mesotherapy, the technique of using needles to affect everything from facial rejuvenation to fat loss. Now, let's just recap real quickly. Using the needles, that creates, it's just underneath the skin, and what exactly does that do? How does it affect facial rejuvenation?
Anytime the body has any kind of little scratch or a little needle hole, the body releases growth factors to get cells to come in and repair that little hole. So now the growth factors are being released in an area where I put these highly concentrated nutrients, and the skin actually starts growing thicker, more toned, similar to what it may have been years before. Right. Now, the end result, that's a lot of doctor talk, but the end result is look smoother, less wrinkles, look younger, look better.
Excellent. Well, we love that. All right, we've got Sweet Susie from Graham, and you there, Susie?
I'm here.
Hi there. What's your question for the doctor?
Okay. Being of a certain age, we get normal wrinkles, but the last couple of years I've lost a lot of weight, and which has caused more deeper wrinkles. Will this help to get rid of those?
Absolutely. Mesotherapy is excellent for that. I've been involved in doing laser skin rejuvenation for many, many years before I added mesotherapy to my arsenal for skin rejuvenation. And sometimes I combine the nutrient capabilities of the mesotherapy, really, really nourishing the skin, with the laser energy that also stimulates growth factor release even much more. Okay. The two used in combination is really awesome, and that's what I use for people that have more lax skin and need a little extra work.
So maybe in Susie's case or someone like that, you may say do together.
I use it in combination, yeah.
Okay.
And that's
let's talk just briefly about lasers, because that's your training as a lasers. But lasers are different now than they used to be.
Oh, much, much different, Maddie. I mean, most of the patients that come into my office think that they're going to look all red-faced and have to go into hiding for about 3 or 4 weeks of lasers, but the newer lasers are called non-ablative lasers.
And this is me getting this done, and you don't feel a thing. It's amazing. And your face is all plump. Like the next day, immediately, I saw like all this plumping effect. It was incredible.
I used a quarter of the big
It's really, really a neat technology because I can actually cause the skin to start changing from the bottom up.
Right.
And you'll look incredible. It's a series of treatments. Most of the patients look better 6 months after the last treatment than they did during the time they were getting the treatments.
Right.
Yeah. So the skin continues to improve even after the laser treatment.
Because the collagen, the growth factors take a while to kick in, or it takes a while until you see the effects?
Well, exactly. The newer skin that I've already stimulated below the surface is gradually coming up. So you're looking better and better as time goes on.
Awesome. Well, Miss Susie, I hope that answers your question. You will be getting some goodies from Paradise Valley Natural Skin Products. They are just gorgeous. They smell so good. So thank you so much for your good question. We really, really appreciate it. Here's some goodies. Goodies, scrubs, yummies, making you beautiful. Always love that. And then we also have a final question from Emma. Emma, sweetie, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Corpus Christi.
Oh, great. Well, what is your question for Dr. Rodriguez?
Okay. My question is, when I was younger, you know when we have pimples, and then we have the scars on them?
Okay.
Oh, good one.
What can I do to get rid of the scars?
Acne scars.
Well, that's an excellent question because that's a very common problem. There's really nothing you can do to get rid of them completely, but one of the things that I do is I use mesotherapy directly into the base of that acne scar to get it to start plumping up a little bit so it's a little bit less noticeable, smoother, and closer in appearance to your normal skin.
So you would use it in conjunction with the lasers also in her case? Or
mesotherapy primarily for the acne scars, yeah.
Great. And then the laser just kind of makes you look good on top of that.
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
We'll take care of the acne scars, take care of the wrinkles. So.
Well, love that.
Still look great.
That's great. Dr. Rodriguez, thank you so much for being here. There's a lot of talk about this and a lot of questions.
It's my pleasure.
We could spend all day talking about it. It's a huge subject.
Oh, it's exciting
We didn't even
stuff.
get to cellulite and fat loss.
Oh, that's
a whole other topic.
all of the world.
We'll have to have you back on to talk about that.
I'd
Because
love
that's a
to.
whole, the
Love to
cellulite
come
thing
back.
is genius. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, man.
Alrighty.